Welcome back, future engineers! Today we're tackling a topic that's probably on all your minds. How to use AI tools like ChatGPT responsibly in your studies. Join Pyter and Lazlo as they learn the difference between using AI as a helpful study buddy versus letting it do all the thinking for you. Let's discover how to make AI your friend, not your academic foe.
This heat exchanger design is impossible. Wait, what if I just asked ChatGPT? Whoa, it solved everything. Equations, diagrams, even explained the theory. This is like having a genius tutor.
That looks pretty comprehensive. Did you work through it yourself?
The AI explained it perfectly. Why reinvent the wheel?
But do you actually understand how it got those answers?
I'll figure it out later. This is so much faster.
Lazlo, can you explain why you chose this particular heat exchanger configuration?
Well, it's because the thermal efficiency is,
This is very sophisticated work, but you seem unfamiliar with the reasoning. See me after class.
The professor knows when work doesn't match your understanding level.
I should have actually learned it instead of just copying.
Hey AI, can you create some practice problems similar to this mass balance example? Now explain where I went wrong in step 3. Ah, I see. I forgot to account for the recycle stream.
You're doing way more work than just getting the answer.
But I'm actually learning. Watch this. AI, quiz me on the key concepts we just covered. See? Now I can handle any problem like this, not just the ones the AI solved for me.
Let me ask the AI about reactor design parameters.
Wait, that can't be right. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at standard conditions.
But the AI sounded so confident.
Look, here's the actual value. AI makes mistakes, sometimes really obvious ones, sometimes subtle ones that are harder to catch. I always verify AI output, especially for anything I'll submit or use in calculations.
Good thing we caught that. Imagine if I'd used 50 degrees Celsius in my reactor design.
For a process optimization project, we used AI to brainstorm initial design alternatives and check our mass balance calculations.
Interesting approach. How did you ensure the work was your own?
We documented our process. The AI helped generate ideas, but we evaluated each option, performed our own analysis, and wrote our own code. We can explain every decision.
The AI was like having a research assistant, but we were the engineers making the real decisions.
Excellent transparency. You're using technology to enhance your engineering skills, not replace them.
See how being open about AI use actually impressed the professor?
Yeah, and I feel confident about our results because I understand how we got them.